In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import existing subscribers in WordPress. Whether you're running a blog, managing a business site, or creating content for your audience, keeping your subscriber list updated and accurate is essential. Being able to manually add or import subscribers ensures that no one is left out, whether they signed up offline through another platform or just need to be added manually for any reason. Stick with me, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to handle this process smoothly and efficiently. Now, before we dive in, if you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description below to sign up and get started. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the WordPress website. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of the home page. You should see the option labeled Login. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. Next, you'll be taken to the login screen. Here you'll want to select the Continue with Google option. This method allows you to log in quickly using your existing Google account, which simplifies the whole process. Keep in mind, though, that if you're not already signed into a Google account in your browser, you'll be prompted to complete the Google sign-in process first. Just follow the prompts to access your account. Once you've logged in, you'll see a list of Google accounts linked to your browser. Simply click on the one you want to use for accessing your WordPress dashboard. After selecting the right account, you'll be directed to your WordPress dashboard. From here, navigate to the statistics section of your WordPress dashboard. This is where you can monitor various aspects of your site's performance. Once you're in the statistics section, look for the subscribers tab. It might take a moment to locate, but it's typically easy to spot among the options. Click on this tab to move forward. Now that you're in the subscribers section, you'll see an option to import existing subscribers. Click on this to begin the import process. This will bring up the interface where you can manage subscriber details. Next, look for the section that allows manual addition of subscribers. This is where you'll be able to input subscriber information one at a time. Start by entering the email address of the subscriber into the designated field. It's important to be precise here, as even a small typo could result in issues with communication later on. Take your time and ensure that each email address you enter is accurate. Once you've typed in the email address, double-check it for any errors. This step is critical to avoid mistakes that could cause problems down the line. When you're confident that everything looks correct, go ahead and click the Add Subscriber button. This action saves the new subscriber's information to your list and completes the import process. To make sure the process was successful, look for a confirmation message or check your updated subscriber list. This will verify that the new subscriber has been added properly. If you don't see the confirmation right away, refresh the page or revisit the Subscribers tab to double-check. And that's it. You've now successfully imported an existing subscriber into WordPress. By following these steps, you can easily keep your subscriber list up to date, whether you're adding one person or growing your audience over time. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.